Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a real-time example. I am simulating that what I have seen in my production. So I have it is my test server. So I am copied some of the data and replicating the same situation in to show you in the test environment. For example, this is my table.do.emp. So I'm trying to fetch the first name where the first name is having only 5 characters. If you see here, all are having 5 characters only. Okay, so I'm achieving only through subquery. This is going to achieve by if you see here, I'm achieving 5 records. Okay, here. So I'm getting the 5 number from subquery and I'm passing to the outer query. So if you see here execution plan, I click execute. The query cost is 100% here. Okay, and it is going to the table scan. Okay, so now I want to achieve the same using whenever the performance query tuning comes into picture. Okay, let's assume that in my table I am having only 110 records. Let's assume that if you want to achieve the same where you are having 10 million or 100 million records, so the query cost and CPU may go high. So sometimes what happen means here we want to think the logic. Okay, so I'm achieving the same here. I'm directly passing 5. Okay, so here also I'm having passing the 5, right? So directly I'm giving the hard coded value. Okay, so I'm let's see the both execution plans. I need to comment it. See, the query cost is 66%, now 34%. Both we are seeing 36 records here, 36 records here. So what is the output I am getting here is the same. The output what I am getting here also same. So the same logic what applied here, the same logic I have trimmed the query into the simple way. Okay. So if you go here, I am getting a table scan here. I am getting a table scan here as well. Okay, but okay, the I mean to say like if let's see how it works in create and clustering and the primary key employee ID. Okay, I'm created a primary key and non-clustered first name, and I'm executing this two again. Previously it was a table scan, now it was index scan, but there is no then I mean there is no reduction in the query cost. Okay, somewhat better, not so better. Okay, we have turned that into table scan to index scan. Comparing to table scan, index scan is better than the table scan. Okay, so now if you see here the query cost is 34. So what I mean to say is whenever the query is getting very high or like CPU query cost or anything, so first you need to analyze that query. Okay, what is that query doing? Is there any possibility to turn into to change into another way, like using joins, using set rows, using uh, like correlated queries? So we need to convert into various ways, and we need to see the query execution plan. Okay, this query is taking this much of CPU, this much of query cost, and this much of resources. The same query which I have written in another way, he's using less query. Okay, let's tune that. I mean, let's apply the same logic in the production and see the environment and how it goes. Okay, so I hope you may like this video. Thank you.